My mom once told me if you had a dream, don't be afraid. You just draw the dream until it becomes true. I like colors. I wish I had my own rainbow with so many colors. Carin, today is snowing there. Wake up, dear.
Okay, Mom. Let's go. Goodbye, my dear.
Wow, Mom! Look, it's a rainbow house. My dream has come true.
House moving service!
Dad, can I set up my own room?
Sure, sweetie. I will have you bring all of your stuffs, okay?
Thanks, Dad. Woohoo! This is my room. So big. Here you are, Kitty. Finally, everything's done.
Honey, let's make lunch with me.
Okay, Mom.
Enjoy your lunch, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom.
It smells so good. A few moments later. Hi, new neighbor. I'm Wolfoo.
Hello, Wolfoo. Nice to meet you. I love watching your movies. I don't believe it. I can meet you in real life.
I'm having lunch. Would you like to join?
I would love to. I love eating soup.
Me too.